Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are connected, whichever part of the world. Hello, welcome to Parul Ki Baat, Parul Ke Saath. And I am absolutely delighted always to come whenever I have these, wonderful people coming on my show. Celebrating womanhood is the purpose of this channel. And it's all about not only women, men, whoever celebrate today their life, whatever they must have been, it's okay. And today it's my honor and a pleasure to welcome a very dear friend, a very dynamite lady with this lovely smile of hers, like Mosmi Chatterjee. I always feel so. So, Anita, welcome to the show. You got to unmute yourself, please. Yeah.
Thank you so very much, Parul. I think it is the energy that you reflect that transpires us to be good as well.
Amazing,
And thank
amazing.
you so much
Thank
for
you. Yes, absolutely. And as my viewers know, I mean, when I started this channel, I was just naive. I knew nothing. I was scared of this box called laptop also because I am a coach and I love talking to people in person. But today I am tried to work on my, uncomfortable zones. And today I started my channel only with this, certain friends like you and certain people like you who said, Koi baat nahi karo. You'll fail, doesn't matter. So, with that, I want to welcome and give a liner about Anita. Of course, as a lovely person, I know her personally, but why I said what I said just now was that all of us go through certain uncomfortable times. All of us have these hitches that the world is not allowing us, things are not happening. So, Anita runs an amazing company, Shubh Kamnai, and I love the name what she has written. Shubh Kamnai's best wishes, and she is an pro in event as an event manager, event person, event planner, whatever word you want to say. So without taking much time, Anita, welcome to the show and tell us more about Anita as a person first. Who is she? What does she love doing? And what is this lovely, what is there behind this lovely smile? Over to you.
Thank you, Parul. You've told a lot about it. And just to keep it short, just like you, all of us, I think, start off naive. Okay. And it is just that Kida which is there in all of us, ki kuch karna hai, kuch banna hai, which we would have subdued for a very long period for
Mhm.
XYZ reasons.
Right.
And then suddenly this comes out of our thing that, now let us do something.
Yeah.
So when, like you, when I started very naive, I did not know what I'm getting into. I just got into the space
Mm.
and even I had my fears of the laptop and internet world, Excel sheets still fear me. But
Mm-hmm.
yes, what it is at the end of the day, it is that we need to step out and we need to start doing things.
Right.
Nobody's going to do it for us, Parul. We need to
Right.
help ourselves. कोई
Right.
गॉडफादर कोई गॉडमदर मिल गए रास्ते में तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, वरना खुद का ही सारा बनना पड़ता है, आपका अपना सिस्टर, अपना फ्रेंड, अपना सब कुछ बनना पड़ता है.
Right.
भगवान भी
Right.
बोलता है कि only those who help themselves get help from God as well.
Very true, very true. And Anita, why I'm asking this because yeah, I know when we say these things, lot of people who are seeing it, some of the wonderful women or girls who are watching it, they'll say, यार कहना आसान है करना बहुत मुश्किल है and I agree so I love to ask you what pushed you and how you were able to come out of that, like I said, the comfort zone, right? We are okay and sometimes we feel अरे नहीं यार क्या है इतना कुछ है जिंदगी में. Why the hell if people say that you are don't need to do it, and I also believe it for a long time. We start believing it, so it's easier said than done. Tell me more about it and tell the people out there watching you what are maybe two three things come in your mind. What should they do if they want to make their passion their profession?
So what happens, Parul, is the grass is always greener on the other side. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
when somebody is doing anything,
Mm,
what pressure, what pain, what pressure they're tolerating
right.
behind the smile goes unseen at times. Okay.
Yes,
So the
yes.
grass looks always nice कि अरे यार इसका क्या है, इसके लिए तो easy हो गया था. But each and every one of us have that difficult period. There is a story behind every person. आप किसी का भी interview लेना,
Right.
everybody has a story to say.
Yes.
How I got into the event management field, it was after a very, very long break of my college days. After
Mm-hmm.
a long, long period, after my kids were growing older, when
Mm,
there were stalwarts in the industry who had already 15 years, 18 years of experience,
right.
today I stand at par with them with just 5 or 6 years of experience.
Fantastic.
Passion सब लोगों में है, okay? All of us have passion. What
Yeah.
is more important is the discipline, how much you
Right.
are ready to cherish your dream things and
Hmm.
work for your dreams.
Hmm.
सोचना, बोलना, ड्रीम करना अलग बातें होती है, उन सबको cumulatively effect में डालना is
Right.
something what is very, very important.
Right. Very
And
true.
if you keep, I waited for a long time for somebody to help me, handhold me, to help me grow, and I
Hmm.
realized that this is a superficial world,
Hmm.
and it's good. We'll get peers who are going to help us. We'll get masters who are going to help us.
Sure.
But it is time that you need to stand up and take the first step. हाथ बढ़ाना पड़ता है, वो हाथ अपना ऊपर जाएगा तब कोई अपना हाथ पकड़ेगा.
Very nice. So to sum it up, I think what I'm getting, what you said was that, don't wait for opportunities or somebody will come someday, somebody will help me. Frankly, you are the driver of your life, as we say, and it's very, very important that come what may, of course, while you take that driving seat and drive your life, on the way you will get people. And actually, I'm sure you can resonate that sometimes those people who never sat in that car with you also are actually becoming your passengers, right?
Yes, yes. And that
Right.
is what friends are, no? Those are friends for life. Those are people
Yes.
whom you cherish.
Right.
And even to sit on the driving seat, even a driver, even your driving school will help you only when you have filled that form that you're interested.
Right. Fantastic. So, the learning which I'm taking from
Can I
Anita
add
right
one more
now.
sentence,
Yeah,
Parul?
please, please. Yeah,
Can
yeah,
I add
please.
one more sentence? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
You said that we need to look for opportunities. I would rather put it in this way that adversity is the best opportunity.
Hmm, hmm,
That
hmm,
is when the best of you comes out, and that is when you can actually explore opportunities to work.
right.
And that is one of the steps that you should be taking.
Right, right. Very true, very true. Right. So again, come what may, whenever things are going down, wherever things are not okay, and you think it's okay, it's done. I don't think so. I can do anything. Actually, that's the time. If you push those two steps ahead, is what most of us as women entrepreneurs also have seen that when you're about to give up, that's the first step to kind of scale up or do what you do.
Not give up.
Yeah, and I think Anita, what I like about you, as much as I know as a person, and then we'll surely talk of Shubkamnaye a bit because I want my viewers to know what you do and how they can connect with you because I know you are different than others. I know the kind of passion you have and the kind of effort you put in anything you do, that I have seen very closely also with you. So I really want to really appreciate that. I know there were moments, there were times with your in your life also, in like all of us, that yaar kare nahi kare chhod de, now life is settled. So what is one liner you like as a woman entrepreneur to give it to a message you like to give the women who are watching it and have a dream but are hesitant, and they are genuinely, they have a reason to be hesitant? What can you say? Because we all were homemakers sometime and we came out with the shell we had and broke it. What would you like to say that, and then we'll surely move to Shubkamna.
So I would like to say, ab nahi to kab. If not now, then when? Okay.
Very nice,
So
very nice.
this is something which I strongly believe in.
Uh-huh.
We are blessed with a lot of endurance.
Right,
Okay. Our
right.
endurance should not become a weakness.
Beautiful, beautiful.
So I'm not saying that you need to be a rebel. I was never a rebel, Parul.
Mm,
I waited for things to come. I am a
mm,
strong believer in karma. And
mm,
I know that, whatever good or whatever limits I have, in that capacity, if I can do my best,
mm.
things will come out to me,
Very
like
nice.
good things will come to me.
Very
So
nice. Yeah.
having said that, being a woman, it's just not societal pressures or family
Mm,
pressures or the
mm.
obligations or the responsibilities that come along with it. It
Right.
is also self-imposed responsibilities that we put on ourselves,
Yes,
or the
yes.
barriers or the guards that we raise against ourselves.
Very
कि
true.
नहीं नहीं 6 बजे तक घर जाना है,
Mm,
खाना नहीं बनाएगा तो क्या करेंगे. So these
mm,
are things which there are lots of options to us. How
mm,
we make our family or our peers or
mm,
people around us
mm,
understand that, see, I would like to do this. I
mm,
am good at this. I
mm.
just need your support and back.
Beautiful.
There's nothing wrong. There's nothing wrong in asking for help and support.
Yeah, I was
Okay,
saying, अपने
yeah. So
अपने सर पे पूरा बोझा, अपने कंधों पे पूरा बोझा लेके चलने की
at
जरूरत
times,
है, नहीं है?
I wonder, why do I have to be so strong? If people say you're so strong, you're so strong. अरे नहीं
Yeah.
बनना मुझे इतना strong, मुझे अनीता बन के रहना है.
Beautiful. All right. So, summing up, let us come about Shubh Kamnaye. So, what is Shubh Kamnaye? again, one-liner event. I can see your number out there, but how can people connect with you? And I know you have a lot of youngsters also. You are really nurturing them, helping their dreams. So please tell us in maybe a minute or so, how can people connect with you? Yeah.
So, Shubhkamna is an event planning and management company.
Mm.
And we started off with retail activations and corporate events. And our clients
Yeah.
loved us so much that they wanted us to get connected personally as well. And that's
Right.
how we started the weddings and celebrations wing. Okay,
Fantastic.
so that is what we are. We are into event planning and management.
Okay.
And we've started recently our own hospitality and logistics team along
Oh.
with gifting solutions. So,
Mm-hmm.
right from
Okay.
simple delivering of bouquets to
Yeah.
gifting experiences is what we do. You can
Fantastic.
connect with me on my mobile number 973-959-4418,
Yeah.
or you can connect with me on my Instagram handle anita.makharya, shub_kamanai. Those are my
Very
Instagram
nice.
handles.
Very
And
nice.
and one beautiful thing that you said, Parul, is that a lot of youngsters get attached with me. Like I always said that, not everybody is lucky to get helping hands in your initial phases.
Right.
And so I think I should become that support system to girls and boys who are studying and getting nurtured for internships who look
Yeah.
for. And
Right.
later I absorb them in my company as well.
Fantabulous. That's such a beautiful thing. And, knowledge sharing and, going to the next level by helping the young adults who are really aspiring. If from beginning a person like you is a mentor for them, it'll be really awesome. So thank you so much, Anita. Thanks a lot on coming on celebrating womanhood. And I wish and pray that Shubh Kamnaएं is the name which everybody believes in, and they know कि इसको अगर event दे दिया, they don't have to worry at all. So all the best and thanks a lot for coming here.
Thank you so much, and looking forward हमारी शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ.
Super. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you. See ya. Bye.